Hello YouTube, it is James Place here today. Today I am playing a scary story. Um, so the whole point of this game is to look at all these and watch all of them. So I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah. Hmm. I have a feeling this is going to be a good story. Emma? Huh. Hi, Mommy. Okay. Yes, Emma? Well, Mommy? Yes, Emma? Okay. Remember when I was the mommy and you weren't, and you were the daughter? No, I don't, sweetie. It's when it's when we both got our heads chopped off and switched bodies. What? Okay, this story's creepy. Um, Emma, where did you learn such words? And it's my turn to be mommy. Oh, oh, so hold still, Emma, to be good girl for mommy. Emma. What the fuck? This is the worst story ever. Alright. That was Remember Then. Remember When. This next one is called The Picture. Hey, what's under the tree? Oh my gosh. Alright. Huh? I wonder who this is. I better go find out. Sorry if you can't see, but I can't see either. It's just the game. Let's see if my parents know. Hey, where's that light coming from? He gets hit by a car. Wait, stop. Oh dear, that's terrible. Ooh. A picture. Well, that was a terrible story, but also pretty cool. Well, here we go to the next one. So, that was the picture. Alright, this next one is Molly the Dolly. Alright, so, alright. You can turn around now, Trixie. Oh, that's an evil name. I have a bad feeling about this. You're welcome, honey. I don't think she's happy. What are you going to name her? Well, it's bedtime. Good night, Trixie. Here's Molly. Okay. Good night, Mommy. And yay. Come on, Molly. This is the... Whoa! Molly the Dolly. Ugh. So, that's what that looks like. That don't look good. Is here to kill you. Ah! What the? Oh my god. Who made this? Nice work, Molly. What? Are you serious? She bought a doll to kill her own daughter? Oh, well, time to have a marshmallow. Alright, well that is the worst story ever. I think. I mean, you guys may have another opinion, but still, I mean, who kills their... That's the worst thing to do. Alright, so that was my, actually, that was, Alright, so that was my dead, yeah, that was my dead wife, I think. Oh, nope, 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 wasn't. Oh, I'm downstairs. Yeah, let's go back upstairs. There we go. Alright, so. Whoa. We are so watching. We're gonna do Slenderman. Woohoo! I love Slenderman. Hee hee, I'm good at hide and go seek. They'll never find me here. Hey, why is there some random page in the forest? Oh no. I already know what this is gonna turn out to be. Leave who alone? Oh crap, that scared me. Can't tell. Oh. This is starting to scare me. Oh god. Guys, I don't want to play hide and go seek anymore. Ugh. A tall man, help! Huh. She did. That is. I don't know what you guys think about that. I didn't really like it, but. Okay. Alright, good. Alrighty. Okay, so this is the one that I read. Alright, so that was Slenderman, Molly the Dolly. That's the one that we just read a few minutes ago. Alright, it's time to do The Little Princess. Alright, here we go. A little princess, big but small. Okay, that was a little princess loving a doll. Or loving and tall. Little princess here for you. A little princess. To the end of your doom. Little princess. I didn't really get that one. But it was okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do Jeff the Killer now. This is not actually no, let's do Someone's on the Fridge. Alright, let's go. Someone's on the fridge. Ugh. A car. Oh. Carly, shut up already. There is nothing on the fridge. Oh Lord. I'm gonna beat you, Carly. Where did you go? What the? Okay, yeah. What is going on? Someone on the fridge. That was the worst story I've ever seen. Alright, so. Let's do Jeff the Killer. Alright, so. Actually, ooh. Yeah, let's do Jeff the Killer. Alright, so. Jeff the Killer. Yeah, it's this for. Jeff the Killer. Alright, here we go. I wonder what Daniel always does on his computer. So he's gonna go and peek. Huh? Who's Jeff the Killer? Oh well, I shouldn't be snooping around in his room anyways. What? What? finding out who I am. That'll make a kid smile from ear to ear permanently. Well, I should get some rest. No. Much better. What? No! That's right, kid. Just go to sleep. Oh my god, this is so freaky. Alright, let's do the other side. I kinda wanna do this one. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I've done this before. I said, finally, your team is gonna win. Yeah, woohoo! I know that game. I watched some of it. But anyways. You're gonna miss the game. Eh. Ah, well, hurry back, man. Nick, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be back. He's been gone for a while. I better go check on him. Dave, are you alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, anyways, gotta go now. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. See ya then. I wonder where he's going. I wonder that he's going on. What was going on in here? Oh my God. Oh, it wasn't him. It wasn't him. No! He was such a good man! Oh, someone broke through the window, I think. That was like a giant bullet hole. Alright. Next story we will be doing is this one. Insane Isabella. Oh, where did this one? The Sharp. Yes, this one. What was it called again? The Sharp Collection. Alright. Okay, thanks, sis. Or Ken, your friend Ruger's here. Okay, thanks, sis. Good, always. I have something to show you. I have something to show you, Ruger. Hey, Ken. How's it going? Where are we? I've never seen this part of your house before. In my storage room. Okay. So what? So, look at this. You're gonna be impressed. Ooh. Ken, why do you have a collection of knives? Because I'm getting ready to take over the human race. Alright, Ken, I think that my mom says he wants me home now. See, I even got a green knife for you since it's your favorite color. Oh no, where's the door? Once you get in, there's no getting out. That is the weirdest story I've ever heard about. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you want any more of these videos, please comment in please leave a comment in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and peace.